Hi everyone, this is the new Brita Fill&Go Active water bottle. It has some amazing features, which I'm going to run you through. Let's take a closer look. 780 million people do not have access to clean water, and almost 2.5 billion people do not have access to adequate sanitation. Every minute, 1 million plastic bags are used, but less than 1% of plastic bags are recycled. This Brita water bottle is just one of the solutions to these issues. You can get these water bottles in 4 different colors: green, blue, pink, and purple. Let's take a look at this BPA-free dishwasher safe water bottle. Screwing open the main lid, we will find that it can be divided into 2 separate sections. It also includes this carrying strap, made of a nice rubber material. The top allows water to flow easily, which is good for a filtered water bottle. It is quite easy to clean and leak-proof because of the cap that I will show you later. Opening the lid again, we will find this is where you put the microdisc. It's a small rubber circle where you can insert the microdisc, which I'll show you later as well. Here we have the microdisc. We'll open it later. And that is the cap, which prevents the water from leaking. So these are all the components that make this bottle possible. The main body is squeezable, and you squeeze to control the water flow. Every microdisc needs to be activated before it can be used. To activate it, simply fill a bowl with some lukewarm water. Then, after that, put the microdisc and let it set for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the microdisc can be removed. Now we're going to put the microdisc into the water bottle. Here we have the microdisc, and this is the bottom section of our lid. Put the microdisc into the rubber section of the bottom half, and then screw the top part of the lid onto that. Now we're going to put the lid onto the bottle. And now the water bottle is ready to filter and be used. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this water bottle. A pro is that it's quite durable. It's also quite stylish and looks good. It also has good value for money because it's cheap. And the water bottle also has a good water flow, unlike other filtered water bottles on the market. It's also environmentally friendly. A con is that it sometimes leaks. Another one is that the capacity could be bigger. And also the microdisc filter doesn't work for viruses and bacteria. It only works for taste impairing substances like chlorine.